Alyssa and Rachel Baumann grew up doing gymnastics together, but tonight's the first time they've ever competed against each other. After the break, we'll hear from the sisters about their journey together.
My name is Rachel Baumann. I am a freshman and I'm a Georgia Gym Dog.
I'm Alyssa Baumann. I'm a sophomore and I'm a Florida Gator.
The reason I got into the sport was because of my older sister. Every day that I would see her in the gym working so hard towards her goal, it pushed me to work harder towards mine.
Now that she's a freshman at Georgia and I've already been in college for 1 year, I tried to just tell her mostly just have fun with it, because getting to compete at an SEC school is going to be the most special years of your life. This is actually the first year that I'll compete against her. I've never competed against her before. We actually both are good on beam, and so we kind of joke around like, I'm going to beat you on beam this year.
I already told her, you get 1 year as a freshman and then I'm coming in and I'm going to win. I can't wait for it.
My parents are kind of confused on, what to wear and stuff.
I try to make them like half and half shirts because I wanted them to like be split in the middle, not wear one and one wear the other, but I'll see how that turns out.
Oh, what a treat to have the Baumann sisters here. Rachel, a freshman at Georgia. Alyssa, a sophomore at Florida. Although they're separated by 3 years, Alyssa deferred a year before she came to college, and Rachel graduated high school early. So they'll get to compete head-to-head for 3 years in this terrific rivalry, Kathy.
So Battle of the Beeman Baumans is on.
Here we go, and their rivalry is friendly. Their folks are in attendance. In fact, 15 members from their family on hand. They're dressed in Florida gear tonight with Georgia accessories, and next year they'll do the opposite. It's going to be great. Don't go away.